I'm Tim Draper with Draper Associates, and we're a venture capital firm. And the primary areas I'm interested in are mostly Bitcoin and all of the associated technologies, the blockchain, the smart contracts, and all the data technologies, big data, deep learning, all of that. So we're excited about all those technologies because they're going to change so many different industries. They're going to go from finance to insurance to real estate to healthcare to government itself. Government itself is going to be transformed in the next 10, 15 years. At Draper University, we have multiple different programs. There's one for hero training, and that might have some blockchain, but mostly we are focused on the individual and improving them and making them more willing to take great risks. We do also have blockchain programs. We also have a space program coming up. We have a lot of interesting kinds of programs going after the future and seeing what's possible out there in the jets and land. Everything we do creates amazing social impact. And it's amazing. When we make those investments, we are trying to make investments in companies that will spread all the way around the world and provide services for people all around the world. And when people say, hey, this is for social impact or whatever, it's got to spread. So it's got to be profitable, it's got to be sustainable, it's got to be important enough so people will care. Well, we do a hackathon, we do a hero-a-thon at Draper University, and we look at all the big problems of the world. We do a lot of brainstorming on what those are, and then we say, hey, how do we reinvent these? How do we make them so that they're a new way of thinking? And are we looking at it from what the final solution should be, or are we just trying to put another Band-Aid on the problem? And the greatest entrepreneurs come at it and just say, well, what we're doing is completely wrong. This, with all these new technologies, this is the way we should be doing it. And that's how we make our investments. That's how we focus on making big impact. And it's worked for us so far.